YouTube food vlog, baby.
I'm so hungry, baby. What you got for me? Feed me something delicious.
Good day, good day. We're gonna check out this PoBoy from a gas station in Delaware. So it's a fish PoBoy. So I'll give you my honest opinion. Not that great, not terrible. Give it a C. Good for the effort. It has coleslaw on it, and remoulade sauce. The bread is the problem. It's too chewy, not crusty and crunchy. I mean, they do give you enough fish. They don't fry it. So it's a dash in. They sell them like mostly in Delaware. I see them, they putting them up new. They're mostly at like Shell stations. I mean, it's a gas station, lunch, $5. It's doable. I'll give it a C. I've had their honey obey wings. They're much better. They fry them. They're crunchy. Really taste good. This right here, I don't know. I'll give it a C. I really don't. It's not a winner. It's not a home run. They have a couple other things that I get. They have a steak and egg on a croissant that's pretty good. And they also, like I said, the honey obey wings. But this fish, new product they just got. Maybe if they fried the fish instead of they use like an air fryer type thing, they're not frying it, so it doesn't have that crispy crunchiness to it. The bread is kind of doughy. It's a sub roll. It's not a baguette like a French roll. More, which I would think is in a PoBoy, a crunchy, denser roll. This roll is like doughy. So, I mean, they try to put it on the grill. But like I said, it's doable, tasteable. It's not bad for its taste, but texture of the bread, the fish doesn't have the proper texture to it. The remoulade sauce is not spicy, so that's a winner for those who don't like the spice. A little bit salty, but it's not, So I give it a C. It's not bad. I mean, it's worth $5. It's a gas station. You get what you get. Is what you expect. I don't know what more would you want from that, but hey, man, $5. You know how I do cheap eats. $5 on the road, Delaware. This particular one is in Newark, Delaware, Route 4, Chestnut Hill Road, I think it is, or something like that. But it's in Newark. Check it out, man. It's a couple of Shell stations. They have them. They're putting them up. I think it's to compete against like the Royal Farms, the Wawa, the Sheets. I think they're trying to compete against them, having some kind of food hot, ready, cooked. You kind of can add things, subtract things. So it has like coleslaw with red cabbage, red onions, pickles, and a remoulade sauce. But my biggest thing is the roll and the fish. Those two things, can make the sandwich a lot better. But you get what you get. $5. It is what it is. Hey, carry on. 2021. We chew down. Keep watching. Share. Like. And repeat. the process. As they say, wash, rinse, and repeat the process. Thank you for following us. Hit that shop button, Philly Joe merch, in conjunction with YouTube food vlog. I'm your man, that dude. Thank you.